Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to purchase QuickBooks online. First, visit the official QuickBooks website to explore the various subscription plans. You'll find options like Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced, each tailored for different business sizes and needs. Carefully review the features included with each plan, such as invoicing, bill management, and inventory tracking, to determine which one aligns best with your operational requirements and budget. This initial comparison is crucial for making an informed decision. Once you've selected your ideal plan, the next step is to create an Intuit account. You'll need to provide a valid email address and set up a secure password. After account creation, you'll be prompted to confirm your chosen QuickBooks Online subscription. Proceed to the billing section, where you will enter your payment details, such as a credit card number and billing address. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any interruptions in service. Your subscription will then be activated. With your QuickBooks Online subscription active, it's time for initial setup. Begin by customizing your company profile, including your business name, address, and industry type. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts. This allows QuickBooks to automatically import transactions, saving you significant time on data entry. Finally, if you have a team, invite them to access your QuickBooks account with appropriate permissions, fostering collaborative financial management from day one. To truly maximize your QuickBooks Online experience, delve into its comprehensive features. Explore tools for invoicing clients, managing bills, and even processing payroll if your plan includes it. Regularly utilize the robust reporting functions to gain valuable insights into your business's financial health, helping you make informed decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed while managing your books. Continuous exploration will unlock the full potential of your accounting software.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.